Ready?
I'm ready.
We're going right there?
I guess, yeah.
There it is.
Ooh, look at.
It's pretty sweet.
Pretty sweet.
Yeah. It's sweet. I mean, it definitely tastes sweet and like a normal, and the texture's fantastic.
I think.
It smells good, but
It's a smell. So I decided to juice some of this watermelon, but I also used 2 jars of my pineapples that I canned from last year. So I made my own version of a Gatorade recipe that I had seen online. Now I tripled this recipe because I wanted to make a big batch of it, but I will give you the exact recipe that I used. It definitely took some taste testing and tweaking, but this is the recipe that we came up with, and it is really, really good. 1 cup of watermelon juice, a 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, a 1/2 cup of coconut water, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of lime concentrate or fresh lime juice. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.